In this video, I'll be showing you guys how to get unlimited cloud storage without paying a dime. All right, so this is actually gonna help you guys, most especially those who have low storage space on their phone. Okay, so first and first, what you need is Telegram. Okay, go to Play Store or Apple Store and download Telegram. Okay, so go to Play Store or Apple Store, search for Telegram. Yes, the popular Telegram. Okay, so that's what we're gonna be using, Telegram. Okay, the Telegram messenger. Okay, download and install it. Create an account if you don't have, because I believe there are still some people that don't use Telegram. Okay, they only use WhatsApp. All right, so and there are some people that also have Telegram, but they are not used to Telegram. They are used to WhatsApp. A lot of people are used to WhatsApp. So open the Telegram. Okay, then create a group. All right, after creating an account, create a group. Click on this writing icon at the right top corner. Then you're going to see new group. Okay, so create the group, click on next. So let's say, okay, let me use my unlimited cloud storage. Yeah, click on create. Good. So just only you. Okay, but make the group public. All right, so the group should be public. Click on edit to see if the group is public or private. So as you can see, the group type is actually private, so you're going to make it public. Why do you have to make it public? The reason why you have to make it public is so because if you want to gain access to your files using other phone or devices, you can just easily access it. All right, so you can decide to turn this on. Right, click on done. So you can give it a name. Okay, my unlimited cloud storage. 1 2 3 4. Okay, then you click on done. Okay, so you have the group link. MUCS, you can copy the group link and keep it somewhere safe. So you can click on group settings, so you can do some adjustment. Add member. Okay, what can member of this group do? What can member of this group do? So I'm looking for an option whereby, okay, is it permission? Whereby people won't be able to join the group. Okay, administrators. So just only you. All right, so once you are done with all the settings, as you can see, the next thing is to start sending or uploading your files or document, your videos. Just click on this attachment icon. All right, so click send. So if it is video, you send it just like that. All right, and once you send all these stuff, you can go back to your device, your photos or gallery, and delete them. permanently, while they will still remain here. Okay, and you'll be able to access them any day, anytime. So some people have been using this for a very long time. Okay, so there won't be anything like, yeah, have low storage space and your phone is hanging. Okay, this is really gonna save you. All right, I hope you understand this stuff that I just showed you now. All right, so if you find this video helpful and interesting, make sure you know try as much as possible to share this video. All right, share this video. So apart from creating a group, okay, there's also saved message. You can search for saved message, so you can be here. As you can see, your cloud storage, forward messages here to save them, send medias and files to store them, access this chat from any device, use search to quickly find things. So you can forward everything to these saved messages as well. So this could actually be like a backup. All right, so you can use both saved messages and a group you created. So I think this saved messages, this one, if you do not have access to your phone number, maybe your phone number is blocked and you couldn't log into Telegram, I don't think you will be able to have access to your files here. Okay, but with the group we created, okay, you can just copy your link and save it somewhere. Okay, so you'll be able to access it any day, anytime. Okay, you'll be able to access your files any day, anytime. So that's it, guys. Thanks for watching. I really hope you found this video helpful. If so, make sure you like, comment and share, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Until next time, peace out.